Guys, do you want to master auto body and painting repairs? But there are some things which are holding you back. Well, in this video guys, I am going to share with you 7 things that are holding you back to become an auto body and painting repair master. And the third thing is going to be the most important one. And I'm going to help you how to overcome those things as well. My name is Raisen and I'm an auto body and paint expert author and instructor, and welcome to Raisen's Spray Booth. It is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only. If you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. So guys, welcome back. Now, things that are holding you back from mastering auto body and painting repairs. Now guys, you are interested in learning auto body and painting, but you don't have the knowledge yet, but you like the process and you want to learn the skill. So the first thing that will hold you back guys is you will lack confidence. Yes guys, when you start off without any knowledge, you will not have confidence at all. You will be concerned about doing more damage instead of repairing. And because of that, your confidence drops drastically. Now guys, all the experts in the world, they started somewhere. If they had not started, they would have not become an expert. Now building confidence starts with doing minor and small paint jobs. Yes guys, you should not directly go and start to paint a car. At first, you should be doing minor paint jobs guys, like painting a silencer, painting a car rim or a motorcycle rim, or even tiny parts of a motorcycle. When you do smaller paint jobs like this guys, it will build up your confidence. And when you get that confidence guys, you can move on to the next step. And the next step is doing more bigger paint jobs. And like this, you will build your confidence guys. And once you build your confidence, you can progress to complex repairs. Because if you directly go to paint a car, you will fail in it for sure. And that will drop your confidence even more. And you will stop learning auto body and painting right there. So don't do that mistake. Moving on to the second one. And the second one is you don't have tools and equipments. Yes guys, you don't have the tools yet. You don't have the knowledge yet. And having the right tools is essential guys. Now quality tools can be pricey and they can scare you a little bit. So when you have the right knowledge about what tools you need to start off, you can start off with the basic and affordable options. Guys, remember, advanced tools are necessary only as you gain the experience. You can do smaller paint jobs with very few tools guys. So with that, let's move on to the third one. And the third one is you don't know where to begin. Yes guys, when you are just starting out to learn auto body and painting, you don't have the proper knowledge. So you go on YouTube, you watch videos, and there are many channels which are teaching auto body and painting. And when you watch all these videos guys, each channel shows a different technique. And now you are confused as what to start with, what is the right thing and what is the wrong thing. It totally overwhelms you guys, which will leave you confused and which will leave you in a more bad state. So guys, what I suggest to you is get yourself enrolled in a step-by-step course. If you find somebody who is teaching auto body and painting step by step, then get yourself enrolled in his course. Follow his videos, do whatever he is instructing you, and like this you will get a roadmap of achieving a professional like finish guys. So you will have to find your mentor. Now you will ask me where we can find a mentor and who is teaching step by step like this. Then guys, you don't have to go anywhere because I have already created a step by step course on this, where I teach you all the tips and tricks and the secrets which the auto body painter will never share with you. Many queries come to me guys saying that I work at an auto body shop and they gave me the spray gun to spray and I messed up their paint job, and now they are not giving me the spray gun anymore, and now I'm stuck where I was. Now why this happened? It happened because you did not learn first, and the auto body painters are not going to share the secrets with you guys because that is what makes them different from you. Now when you learn auto body and painting, you practice it and now you get better at it. And once the auto body shop owner knows that you are better in painting, he will increase your salary, he will start giving you paint jobs, that will increase his revenue as well. And like this you will have a better income guys. So don't hesitate to invest on yourself. If you want to learn auto body and painting seriously, then I have put a link of my course in the description below. You can go there and get yourself enrolled. And I will see you guys on the inside. And with that, let's move on to the fourth one. And the fourth one is fear of making mistakes. Yes guys, you are scared of making mistakes now. You are scared of messing up the paint job. You are scared that you might get an orange peel. You are scared that you might get paint runs. You are scared that you might waste expensive material. You are scared that the boss will shout on you. You are scared because you don't know the right process, guys. Now, how to overcome all of this? And the simple answer is, guys, you will have to learn the right process first. Once you know the right process, you can practice the right things. And once you practice the right things, you will start getting better at it. And once you start getting better at it, you will increase your income, guys. As simple as that. So with that, let's move on to the fifth one. And the fifth one is lack of reliable resources. Now you don't have the resources, guys. You don't have the spray booth. You don't have the tools. You don't know which tools you require in the first place. You don't have the right compressor. So you don't have the right resources, guys. And you don't have somebody who can teach you as well. So now you are stuck and your dream remains there only, guys. And how you can overcome this? Learn the process first. And where to learn? I put a link in the description below. Go there and get yourself enrolled now. And with that, let's move on to the sixth one. And the sixth one is time constraints. Guys, mastery doesn't happen overnight. It is a skill that you will have to practice. When you are practicing, you will fail. So you should learn from the mistake. And you should not repeat that mistake next time. And like this, you get better and better and better every day. I know keeping consistent time to practice can be tough. But if you want to learn something, you will have to make time. Because you will never get time. So dedicate a specific time to learn a new skill, guys. And like this, you will start getting better. And the more you practice, you will start getting better and better and better at it. And with that, let's move on to the seventh one. And the seventh one is your goals are not clear. Guys, defining what repairs you will do in Autobody and painting is of utmost importance. Do you want to do quick fixes or if you want to do deep restorations? Guys, if you are an automotive enthusiast, DIYer or a hobbyist, then maybe you don't want to paint the entire car. Maybe you only want to paint the small bumper which has a scratch on it. Or maybe you want to paint only one single panel. Or maybe you want to paint a motorcycle tank or a silencer or a part which has rusted. So if you are doing small paint jobs like this, then you don't need a big compressor, guys. You can do them with smaller compressor as well. All you need is a good spray gun. But if your goal is to do deep restorations like taking a bend out of a chassis, welding the part and then doing the auto body repairs and painting the whole car, then at that time you will need a bigger compressor, guys, and you will need more tools which will make your work easy and faster. So knowing what you are going to do is very, very important, guys. Knowing your objective will keep you motivated and on track. So keep your goals clear, guys. So those were the 7 things that can hold you back from becoming an Autobody and painting repairs master. Which one is holding you back? See that you comment below and let me know, guys. And if you found this particular video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raisen Fanai signing out until we meet again.